ago, in the Benin Empire, the now Agbadu market, previously known as Ogiso market in the Ogiso era, was tormented by a mysterious and terrifying bird known as OSOGAN. The bird monster lived amongst the people, creating havoc and hindrance, disturbing traders and buyers alike. The bird monster usually jumped out of the Ikpoba River to attack traders on their route to the village market. This created fear amongst the people, giving rise to the famous saying, "Agbayo Agbare, Agbadueki Agbayowa," meaning we go to the market together, but we do not return home together. This lingered for some time until a man named Evian from the Ogiaime family bravely slaying the bird monster. In memory of this, the market's name was changed from Ogiso Market to Agbadu Market, marking a new beginning and freedom from the Osogan bird.